Eicher came up with a slew of options for us, the 31 tonners and even beyond. And we, after trying them out for a few months, we concluded that they were solid, reliable vehicles that could do this on an ongoing basis. So we were getting trucks that were built to last, ran economically, needed minimal intervention and attention, and also gave us the objectives of giving our drivers better hardware to work with, comfortable trucks, and reliable over vast distances on an ongoing basis. We were expecting trucks that had a higher uptime. Eicher came back to us with productive AMC offers, better built trucks, so they also needed less maintenance and downtime. Some years ago, they came back with solutions with air-conditioned cabins for our trucks. The AMCs take a lot of the burden of maintenance of the truck off our shoulders, and we have slowly started moving to a model where we believe that we as transporters will run the trucks, get the business, manage the drivers, and the OEM takes the responsibility of ensuring that the trucks stay on road. It takes care of our concerns on the single largest cost of running a trucking operation, fuel consumption.